Hello guys, here we have a Dell. It's not turning on at all. Okay, there it is, the bent chip. I want to explain what exactly this chip does. Okay, this is PU14. So what you do is you type Control F, Control F, which again Control F. You type PU14. Right, there it is. This chip, guys, is very important. It's called a selector. Okay, it tells the board to switch from the main board and uses what and uses the dock station. See, so it switch between the two. Remember, when you have a Dell, these Dells, these ones using dock stations. When you connect a charger, you can either charge it using a dock, or you can connect a charger straight to a laptop motherboard. It's up to you. So this chip here, what it does, it is more like a power chip. It controls the power. Tell the PC to use dock or to use the main board. The moment you remove the dock, the moment you remove the PC from the dock, start using what? The laptop motherboard power. But the moment you plug it in on the dock, it uses what? The dock station. So it's more like a selector. It's select, yeah. That's why they call it a selector. It's more like a power chip. It's very important. If this chip and this charges the battery as well, very important. Although we have a charging circuit charging chip on these models, but again, this one is also communicates with the battery, and it's also communicates with what? With a charger. So I have to remove the chip. It bends, it physically bends. You see, charger VRDC as I told you guys, it's communicate with the charger. Okay, it's got AC, AV, AC off, AC enabled. It's communicate with the charger. It does everything. Communicate with the board, and it switches the board from using the dock or main board. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's remove this chip, guys. Apply flags. I'm worried about something here, guys. I'm worried that the board might be damaged. The pads might be damaged. So let's see anyway. But I'm a little bit worried about this board. Alright. See my worry? 3 pads are missing. See my worry? Why I was worried this much? Worried about those pads. So what I'm gonna do, guys, you have to clean this. Clean it so that you will see what exactly is going on. Use alcohol to clean the pot. Okay. I think three pins are missing here. So if I'm right, but it seems like 3 pins are missing here. Where's pin number 1? Okay, this is pin number 1. I think this is pin number 1. I think from here up to the count. No, pin number 1. We should get 9. Here they're saying it's 9. Count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Yeah, boo. 9, 18, 27, 27, 20. Confirm. 3 are missing. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yeah, 20, meaning 28, 29 and 30 are missing. 28, 29 and 30 are missing. Let's see those pads. Okay, there we are. Let's check pin number 30. I mean pin number 20. 20, or was it 27, 28, 29? Was it 20? No. 28, 29 and 30. Let's see those pins. Hi boy, this is a lot of guys, but now I'm worried about one thing. This is a lot of, okay, those pins are not connected except pin number P bet. We need this power. I think it's power bet, power by bet. We need this, but the rest are not connected. There is no connection. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I wonder what about those pets anyway. And except pin number 20. Now what I'm gonna do is let's go back to the chip, to the board. Oh shit. So now this pad here is more like rounded. So we have to be careful there, otherwise when we place a chip there, it's gonna be grounded. Why? Because the pad is gone and now it's touching the ground. Okay guys, so why I'm putting a recurring ink, mask recurring ink, because I want to make sure that the ground doesn't touch the pin on the chip. I have to be sure. What? Touching. I know you are confused right now. Touching it. So let me explain this in short. So here, I think it was supposed to be a 19 volt, but now since the board it's bent, underneath the pad there, it's round. See, now the round is exposed. So if you can, it's not connecting. Not. I think that's 19. Yeah. Have to put a UV lights here. Try to dry this up, then we can place a chip on top.